Today we're going to find out if the Sennheiser MKE 600 is worthy enough for automotive content. So the main thing I'll be using the MKE 600 for is to mainly record exhaust audio and in-camera audio. So we'll be putting it through the test, recording exhaust audio, mounting it to the rear of a car and seeing how good it captures exhaust audio and just overall the sound quality. The SPL rating is 132 decibels, which is perfect enough for recording, a loud GT3 exhaust. You should be fine. You shouldn't get any distortion coming from the microphone itself. Overall, the build quality is really nice. It's made out of metal, I believe, and it just has a nice hefty weight to it, and it just makes it feel nice and premium. I do have one gripe with this mic, and from using it the last couple days, you have to turn it on and off when you're using the battery powered mode, because I forget to turn it on and I forget to turn it off, so it kind of is annoying. And also the audio you're listening to right now is actually coming from the MKE 600 itself. It's recording into my Sony a7 IV. This is how the audio sounds, and honestly you shouldn't have any issues with this mic at all. Cool, so enough about the mic. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. Alright guys, we're about to meet up with an old friend. He just picked up recently an M4CS. We're going to be miking it up with the Sennheiser MKE 600. Let's just go over the setup real quick. Obviously we got the MKE 600 microphone, we got a small rig magic arm, then we got a C-Sucker 4.5 inch suction cup, we got the Rode XLR cable here. One side will attach to the MKE 600, the other side to the Zoom F3 32-bit float. Such a perfect combo. You cannot go wrong with this. We should get some pretty dope sound quality and some dope exhaust audio. Let's go ahead and show you how to actually mount this onto a car. Alright, dude.
How you doing?
I see you, bro. This is sick, dude. Yeah, rev it real quick. That's perfect, dude.
Good enough, right?
Yeah, that's good, dude.
Okay, perfect.
Alright, so now we got the Sennheiser mic mounted to the camera for in-camera audio. Alright, so my initial thoughts after hearing the exhaust audio file, and honestly all I have to say is I 100% recommend the MKE 600. It is like the perfect sounding microphone for recording exhaust audio. It sounds like if you're actually there listening to it, it sounds crispy as hell. Yeah, I can't complain, man. This is a great bang for your buck, and I recommend you guys to pick it up. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you guys love the way this setup sounds. Once again, I'm using the Zoom F3 with an XLR cable from Rode, and then as for the mic, it is the MKE 600. I'll see you guys later. Peace.